Okay, I have a 2003 Honda Pilot, and I've just recently changed out my halogen light bulbs here to LEDs, and this is how you change it. So first you remove this connector here, and then you remove this rubber cover. That's how you get to the light bulb there, and then you press on this spring right here, press down and then up, okay, and then you remove your light bulb, and this is LED. So to reinstall, the two tabs at the bottom there that's close together, they go down, okay. Okay, spring goes back in, press it in and down, okay, and that's it. Put this cover back on. Making this film is a lot harder than actually changing the light bulbs out. But I figured I'd just try to help somebody in case they're not so mechanically inclined, I guess. And sometimes you just need a little bit of help. On the other side, it's the same thing. It's a little tighter, but it's the same thing. The hook, it's actually on the left side, just like over there. Okay, that's it.